Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to add auto captions in Premiere Pro. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Premiere Pro and drag your voice or your video just like so. Then you want to go and click on the audio or the video. Then you want to go and click on window. Then you want to go and click on text and make sure that you have it here highlighted. So I'm going to click on text in order to show it. Then it will redirect me to this page. Just click on transcribe, then click on transcribe right here and wait till it loads. Then click on these three dots and click on create captions. And here you can choose the format, the style, and I will choose single line only. You can choose the maximum length in characters and the minimum duration in seconds and the gap between captions also. Then click on create captions. It will load. And here you have the auto captions as you can see. Now, if you want to do some modifications to the subtitle right here, you just have to highlight it like so. Then go here to properties. And if you cannot see it, you can go to window, then go and choose from this section right here, properties as you can see. So now I'm going to select it. And now we can adjust the alignment and transformation, the zone of the subtitle as you can see right here, the font size, the stroke, the background and shadow. And you can even change the type of the text from this section right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.